Hello and welcome back to Project Zomboid. It appears that I went to bed today and I woke up at a horrible time. This might be a nighttime video, which you know how those are. Fun. Luckily the streetlights are on, so it's not that big of a problem. I still would like it to be day. Those zombies are getting in a bigger and bigger horde. Not my problem. I am overheating somehow. Call? Ooh. 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 There's several cars. Oh, there's a spiffle van and a sedan. Those two sedans are what interests me the most. That black one has call keys. Just another day in Project Zomboid. It's almost broken, so I'm not gonna touch it. I'll eat those chips though. Tasty. There's two spiffle vans. Ooh. I wonder if those run. Locked. Unlocked. Key. No gas, and I think the engine's fudged. There's a gas can back there, though. Let's look at it. The engine's not that bad. I'll keep this one in consideration. Also, give me that. Can fit in my fanny pack, though. A whole gas can in a fanny pack, yep. That's how that works. Oh, this isn't for this car. Oh, is it? Okay, that's a Chevrolet nylon then. Okay. Wow. That one person, well, someone put in the comments that they have no problem finding backpacks. Yeah, the moment you put that in, I guess I instantly find a backpack on a zombie. So, yeah, nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Boys, we got ourselves a running call. Oh, with 46 trunk space? Bro, that's nice. I still want to check out those spiffo vans. Especially because it's a van. But yeah. If you don't think I look at my comments, I do. It's kind of like the only thing that keeps me posting, knowing that people are watching. Wow, there's a horde. thing about the hammer is it doesn't have that much range, but its damage and attack speed is good. And because I'm always a construction local, I like that trait because it lets me level up weapons fast. I'm just better with weapons. I saw beta blockers. Give me those. Whoa. Don't tangle up my earbuds now. I'm trying to play a game. Dead. Yeah, that. Oh my god. Literally, the moment that person placed a comment, it's just like 67 backpack zombies. Which is an exaggeration because I'm only 2, but you know what I mean. I'll take that helmet. You know. Oh, okay. You know what? Screw it. If it gets too overwhelming, I can just run to the car and start it and get out of here. Even though I really want to check on those spiffle bands. Hey, at least this was the knee pads there. It was the elbow pads that had a hole in them, correct? No. Was it? It was the knee pads, and of course I was correct. I just second guessed myself. Yep. Four more zombies. Here they come. I wish there was a mod where, like, if you hit a zombie and blood splashed on you, like, if it got in your eyes or mouth, there's like a 5% chance you got infected. That would be cool. Because realistically, if that happens, it would still kill you, since, like, they say it can transfer through blood and saliva, so, like, a scratch can kill you, and all that other stuff. I just wonder if they could do it so, like, if you, like, somehow get blood in your eyes or or in your mouth when fighting, you could have a 5% chance of getting infected. I think I pulled the entire horde. Yappity-doo-dah. That's not the best of situations. Where's my waddle? And do I not have... I don't have waddle on me. Do I actually not have waddle? Oh my god, I don't. Why do I not have water on me? I literally dumped an empty water bottle in the doctor's office. I regret that. Oh, the zombie's stuck under the bumper of the car. Let's go. Do any of you guys have water? I'm gonna check the spiffle vans. What are these things? Already disappointment. No, my disappointment. I mean, are these rod? Spiffle van breaking and entering. Go. Watch, this one's gonna run. Good. I would have been pretty salty, Dale. Nah, I'm good. There's a fountain pop, let's go. Food, I mean, waddle. It's soda, Vale, I said it. I'm confusing myself, and I don't want to. This place shouldn't have an alarm system. Okay, good, it doesn't. I hear a zombie behind this door. But why isn't he wearing a t-shirt? Useless money and a bunch of other useless stuff. I don't know why he crushes the can when he's done. Can't he reuse that? I mean, yeah, I have once. It does cut your lips. This is just a bathroom. This is just another bathroom. Let's go. You know what? Makeshift water bottle. Yeah, I literally don't have a water bottle. Why are there no toilets in this bathroom? That's odd. Well, now that I have a sedan, I can start depositing stuff in there. Meaning I won't need to worry about much, and I can't go out the window that I came in from. Is there really? Okay, there is a back door. Yeah, this sedan was a great find. It's better than the one van I had when I died. Alright, let's dump all this stuff that I don't need. Alright, some of the food can go away. The meat cleaver. I feel like I would only need one backup hammer. That and that and that. This can go away, the chocolate, and everything else can stay. Let's go check out the gas station. When did those zombies go there? Don't know, don't care, not my problem. Yeah, it literally just depends on when my character gets tired. That is the only reason I end videos. Holy crap, there's a lot of zombies. Still want to check out the gas station. Even though it'll probably bring me to my demise. But if it has a metal pipe or a wrench, that's pretty good. In nail is where I think of it. That's boarded up. Oh, that's a car wash? Damn. Alright, let's start luring the horde. Come on. What is that short? That's the dinosaur short. Please be okay. I love dinosaurs. Even though that short looks stupid, I like it. Let's go. What does my short look like? Oh, it's just a white t-shirt. Never mind. I was so excited about that, but then my excitement faded. Oh, did I? Oh, I did. Not good. Why am I hitting slower? At least my maintenance went up. Yeah, but level 4 short blunt's pretty nice. At least I think that's what I'm at. Light-footed, nimble, that's going up. Short blunt, yeah, level 4. Maintenance is good. Carpentry. Basic fitness and strength. Okay, that just almost killed me. And they're dead. Nothing really. You know what? I'm gonna take that dinosaur t-shirt. Because I like how it looks. Yeah, since the gas stations with the big dinosaurs are actually one of my favorites in real life. And because it's a Bronchiosaurus, it's also... The Bronchiosaurus is also one of my favorite dinosaurs, so it technically walks. Where is that dinosaur one? Where is the dinosaur one? Let's go. Get out of here. Let's check out the gas station. If I could make a base in a gas station, that'd be nice. Okay, now, I don't know how many zombies are nearby. And if I break this window and there's an alarm, I need to go. I always flinch when I break a window. Another water bottle. Because I like chocolate, I'll eat these cakes. I wonder if... I know Twinkies still exist. It's just I haven't seen one in a long time. I like how I was talking about dinosaurs and Project Zomboid and stuff, and now I'm just talking about Twinkies. A pipe would be great right now. Just a metal pipe or a lead pipe. That'd be a lifesaver. Alright, I'm definitely good on water now. Hi-Hi's. Those are made by Twinkie, I think. And I actually like those in real life. They're called Ho-Hos, I think. Let's go. I found a generator book. Those comic books are good for if I get depressed. Even though I have antidepressants. Cigarettes, lighter. Yeah, I think that's everything here. I might honestly end the video early today. I don't know. It depends. I know I usually end the videos when my guy's all tired, but I don't see a reason why to today. Oh, come on, man. Y'all moved too close to my car and now I'm gonna need to kill y'all. Literally. Bro, come on. Also, if I find a pair of scissors, I'm changing my hairstyle. half of you come from? I was gone for like 10 minutes. Why y'all just walk towards my car? Any more zombies around here? Since I don't want to be jumped. Nothing? Okay, thank you. You, and you. And you. I'm gonna keep this in because I can, and a screenshot for the video. And I guess I'll end the video here, guys. Nice little short video today. See you next time.